Well, the two were gone up, which was the place them. So bad not find.
You get a chance to see the swing properly, right?
Yeah, man. Can see everything clear. Suppose you can get all a close view too.
Good. Just make sure it's a Tony and lock on to it.
Yeah, man. She already on it. I don't on the road, I'm gonna pick up something for Destiny, yeah?
Yeah, man, no problem. Just show me exactly which one.
Number 35. And that's go carry training, yeah?
Alright, no worries. Wait, that means you're not gonna get to see her in action.
Yeah. We not see her half a ground.
Oh, she afraid of heights.
Our mother should get that from.
I'm trying not to lose my mind, but it's working me overtime. And I think that it's about time that I read the signs.
Because I didn't look at the gate. I saw that down there and chose some people write them teeth, so they say.
Oh. Oh.
So I didn't really know. I never really know the name of the school anyway.
Iris Gay Primary School. Sometimes look back on it, you know. And me I say, why that name then?
I was about to ask you if you don't know why the name.
Oh, man, my sister, my mother, all of them used to go.
So, your sister used to come to that school here. That's why you met Destiny come here?
Yeah, boss.
You know she watch over her though.
I hope so.
She ever asked about her?
About 2 times, you know. She asked me if I think should I help me.
Just know you do an excellent job.
Respect, bossy. I do my best.
She don't know say I come today.
No? Because she always a pressure me to come watch her train, but too so busy, she not expect me.
Well, this is going to be a surprise for her.
I follow the bossy.
I hear these voices in my head. I'm tripping. I'm trying not to listen. I'm distant. I'm trying not to lose my mind, but it's working
That's
me
right,
overtime. And I think that it's about time that I read
Big
the
girl.
signs.
You know she again. Ah, little man. So you still not hear nothing from Patsy?
No.
You reach out to her?
You know, I said this is the only time I feel like I need to reach out to her.
Remember, says a relationship you're in, you know, and not two people in a relationship. Me think if need to reach out to her.
I always reach out to her still, you know. Sometimes she can't do the same. Even when me used to reach out to her, she used to ignore a message. What I want she remember is that Destiny involved. And she decided to take her on.
I understand. But it really weird to how she isolates herself just so. Me, right now, me alone wonder if something wrong.
I always pray that in a boss. But you hear what? I don't have time for that, right? If something wrong, she a big woman. She will just stop.
This can't help to do. Not when a child is involved.
You know, say, Destiny feel guilty. So she make Patina come back at the house.
Guilty? Why should I feel that way then?
She thinks, I did something what happened with her, I'm going to tell her, I said, don't say it to Pat. But you end up tell her. And that caused an argument between me and her. So, as far as she know, that's the last thing will happen. Because after that, Patsy go away. But I know the real reason why, and I just can't tell her.
At some point though, you're gonna need to talk to Destiny. She'll grow. She see things round her. She no fool.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that. But me just a wait for the right time. You know, say, an incident going with her over the school there, and it's she and a female. Female says she like her.
Like her? Oh. So how she a manage that?
It look like she want to approach it physically. So I said to her, say, you can't do that. It's a very delicate situation, so you have to approach it on a different level. Just tell her, say, you don't like her that way there and watch her first. And you know what she asked me? She said to me, say, what if a man a walk around and I tell people, say, me and him, how would I angle it?
Your sister is not a fool you have.
But see, that are just one out of the many things that me come out of her mouth right now. It just scare me. And that's why I have to tell Patsy, say, she have to tone down.
This is a very delicate situation. And it is going to be important the female who is around her and in her life.
Well, obviously, Patsy now view it away then. First thing, she want Destiny to approach it. Every situation, not just this, physically. I'm telling her I said that can't go on. That's not how you deal with things. And you know what the next thing? Whenever me and her in a something, she just gone. She don't stand up and say, alright, I could sort it out. She just gone.
You don't need that. And Destiny definitely don't need that. No, Destiny need to be around somebody or have somebody which can talk to, where can direct her in a positive direction and talk to her about certain situations, especially situations like these, and how to approach them. PM Motley prepared to have her US visa revoked over Cuba health. Horace Chang says murder rates are down by 30%. Jack your heads to Netherlands Court of Appeal on June 18. And of course, Lionel Messi in Jamaica. All this and more on Sunday Night Live at 8 p.m. right after the uploads. See you there.